How big is the universe? What is the edge of the universe? This video will reveal the answer for you. Now we are about to embark on a journey from the Earth to the far end of the solar system. Then to the Milky Way, through the huge supernova group, and finally to the edge of the universe, waiting for you to reveal the ultimate mystery about the edge of the universe. The first stop of our journey is the Moon. The Moon is also called the Only One. As early as 1969, the astronaut Armstrong, who landed on the Moon, left the first footprint of mankind on the Moon's surface. Then came the Venus. The atmosphere of Venus is 96% carbon dioxide, which led to the extreme greenhouse effect, causing the surface temperature to reach a terrible 462 degrees Celsius. Sometimes at night, you see a very bright star in the southwest, which is basically Venus. The Mercury is the smallest of the 8 stars, and it is also the closest to the Sun. The reason why the Sun emits light and heat like a fireball is that it is constantly processing and reacting inside. However, the nuclear fuel will eventually burn out. At that time, the Sun will come to an end. The Earth is the third closest star to the Sun. The average distance from the Sun to the Earth is recorded as an astronomical unit, which is about 1.51 kilometers. At this distance, the sunlight needs to spread for 8 minutes to shine on the surface of the Earth. Mars is a desert planet. Although there are hills and stones everywhere on the surface, Mars happens to be in the same area, and still has an environment similar to that of the Earth. Therefore, it has also become a key research object in many countries. After passing through the asteroid belt, there is Jupiter. Jupiter is a huge gas planet with no solid surface. This goose egg-shaped red spot is a supermassive anti-magnetic storm. Its coverage can even put down 2 to 3 Earths. Then there is Saturn. Do you see these countless little ice cubes? These are the raw materials that make up the Saturn ring. In July 2013, the spacecraft Cassini took a picture of Saturn and the Earth when it was exploring Saturn. This tiny blue dot is our Earth. Finally, the ones outside the solar system are Neptune and Neptune. These two are twin planets, which also belong to the ice cube planet. Because there are fake gas in the atmosphere, they give them a unique color. In this way, the 8 planets are centered on the Sun, forming the solar system. When we continue to move towards the edge of the universe, we will find that the entire solar system is just a small light spot. Every tiny light spot here is a star like the Sun. Each star has a planet that revolves around itself. If we look further, there are more than 200 billion stars here. Each one emits a bright light and forms a huge galaxy. The galaxy is a larger celestial system. Its diameter is about 100.000 light years. The Earth is located in the outermost area. Every time the night falls, this milky white starry sky is actually part of the galaxy. When we continue to move towards the edge of the universe, we will find that there are 2.5 billion light years. This is the closest big star to the galaxy. There is a whole galaxy inside it. Despite this, the huge star system and the galaxy are also a part of the star system. This small group of about 50 stars is the star system we are in. However, looking further, the star system is also a small part of the superstar group of the Virgo. This is a larger group of 100 star groups and star systems. Each bright spot is a huge star system. Our galaxy is also a bright spot here. Despite this, compared to the wider space of the universe, the superstar system of the Virgo is just a tip of the iceberg. Now we are moving towards the edge of the universe. What we see along the way is almost all stars. Every star has billions of stars. So the total number of stars in the universe may be more than all the sand on the beach of the Earth. Because the distance is far away and the speed of light is limited. The Sun you see is 8 minutes ago, and the Virgo you see is more than 2.5 million years ago. So as long as you go to a far enough universe, what you see is the beginning of the universe. Before passing through these galaxies and arriving at the edge, we have seen the formation of the galaxy and witnessed the birth of the first star system. The light that follows is the oldest light in the universe. At this moment, we are arriving at the final stop of this journey. What is the edge of the universe? The answer is right in front of you. A point with infinite density, infinite size, infinite temperature, and infinite time and space. This is the edge of the universe. It is also 13.8 billion years ago. The universe has not yet been born. In 1927, The Belgian astronomer Leeuwit first proposed the theory of the Big Bang. This is the influence of modern cosmology. When the Big Bang happened at this point, there was time and space, and there was light in the universe itself. And the fragments of the explosion created all the celestial bodies in the universe today. To date, the light produced by the Big Bang is still spreading, and it has been recorded in detail by the European Space Agency's Planck Space Telescope. This is the cosmic microwave background radiation. It is also the most powerful evidence that the universe has ever had a big explosion. When we reach the real edge of the universe, we are more aware of the smallness of the Earth and the vastness of the universe. To be honest, even if the Earth suddenly disappears at this time, it will not have any effect on the universe itself. So in the end, what is the purpose of our appearance in the vast universe?